And welcome back to Tyre Review, and today we're going to talk about tyre rotation, why you should do it, and how regularly you should do it. And I've got Leeson in the house, who is our tyre and wheel guy. And Leeson, why should we rotate our tyres?
We basically do that to ensure that we get the maximum life out of the tyre.
Okay. So why does it last longer? Like, why do I have to move them around the car?
Okay, well, depending, on the vehicle, some cars will chew out rear tyres faster than the front, or front-wheel drive vehicles will wear the front faster than the rear. And generally, the front left tyre is a tyre that's going to wear out faster because we're, when we do U-turns and stuff like that, we're generally doing right-hand corners, which will chew out that front left. So, cool. Yeah, so we rotate just to try and keep them wearing as even as possible and get the maximum life. Yep.
And it changes per vehicle, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yep. How should you actually rotate your tyres?
Okay, look, you really need to, you're best off to consult your local tyre professional, and they'll advise because, some tyres have inside, outside edges and a rotational, or directional, sorry. So, they can only go on a specific side of the vehicle. So, yeah, you're best off talking to your local tyre shop. They'll advise what the best way to go is. Yep. And I try to do mine every 5,000 Ks. The service intervals on my vehicle are every 10,000. Okay, so I definitely do it in the 10,000, but sometimes I throw in between as well.
Yeah, so I do that when I'm dropping the car, if you get serviced or servicing myself or whatever, I'll actually do the rotation then, or ask them to do it.
Yep.
It seems like the easiest way of doing it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome.
Good job to do.